because we're looking out for the kid's best interest, the goal of the court system is to make sure that your kids have a stable environment. They are going to want to know that your kids have a primary residence, that they have one place that they call home. They may go back and forth to the other parent and have two homes, but they want to make it stable for the kids. The kids didn't cause your divorce. This is something between you and your spouse. And so helping your kids get through your divorce, helping them get through their childhood in a safe way is something that the courts really want to make sure happens. And so if we have parents moving far apart, that makes it more difficult. And honestly, the court is going to say, well, if one parent moves, then that parent is the one that's going to have to take up the slack and make it work. The kids need to have a stable environment, and we want the kids to be around both parents. We want both parents to be involved in their lives, but the kids should have a bubble of protection. So if one parent moves away, then they're the ones that are going to have to adjust, not the kids. When you have a geographic restriction, that is for the benefit of the parent who has visitation. And if that parent picks up and moves far away, then that lifts that geographic restriction and allows the parent who was limited, who had to stay within a certain area, that parent can now move wherever they want to. So be cautious about that. If you are moving away from your children and that may cause that geographic restriction to lift, your ex-spouse could pick up and move somewhere else and move even further from the kids. So something to definitely think about if you are considering whether to move further away from your children.